What it is, TubeU, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Today's little video, man, finally got out a neutral strap plate cover. Well, actually, I've had it for a very long time. I had it before I took my car to drop it off for the transmission. I was like, well, they're probably going to need to do some things with the transmission, so I don't want to have a neutral strap plate cover up there just in case they need to access that strap. I don't know why they would, but just in case. I don't want them to be diddling around with this and tearing this up, so I held off on putting it on. And I finally got some free time today. I said, screw it, might as well go ahead and throw it up there. I got nothing else to do. So it comes with, I think it just comes with these bolts. These are the bolts that were in the bag with the neutral strap plate cover. However, I have some other little Torx bits nuts over there, and I don't know where the hell I got them from, but they were sitting with this the entire time. So I'm like, did they send 4 sets of bolts? But these for sure came with this plate cover because they were in there with it. So as you can see, they have a square head on them. I don't know if you guys have picked that up. The camera's like not zooming in right. Let's see, let's do this right. Boop, there you go. See those square heads up there? And I don't have the tool for it, but I do have a flat head that fits perfectly in there, and I can get her in there nice and good. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this little flat head. But if you have the tool, just use that so you don't tear anything up. And first up, obviously we gotta get this deal out of the way. So we're gonna try to do that. And we have a Torx bit over here to help with getting this off. Got to disconnect the cable up under here, which supplies the power and the light. And then we're going to use the Torx bit. I don't, this is a T, I'm not sure if this is the right size. It's a T20. I think we need a T25, but I have one over there if we need it. Either way, let's go ahead and start prying. This isn't really a tutorial or anything like that. It's more like a, let's see if it's as, just see how crazy difficult it is. That's what my videos are going to be from now on. Now, if you see me putting some parts on, I'm just going to start doing is it that easy style videos, because every time YouTubers and other people always make stuff look so easy, but then I get in here and it's like the hardest damn thing in the world. So there's 2 or 4 tabs right here, 2 up here and 2 back here, and I'm just trying to get in here without tearing anything up. All right, there's 1. Or did I just break something? See, I feel like I broke something. That just happened. Oh no, it's up. It's up. Yeah. I don't know where that other tab is. I can't find it. I'm not trying to tear anything up. There's the other one. Definitely sounds like you're tearing shit up. This is why I hate doing stuff like this. Another thing is, stuff just never goes back how it's supposed to. Let me get this out of here, actually. So I think this is actually in the way. Maybe it is, maybe it ain't. I don't know, I'm just gonna get it out of here. Just going over here. So there's 3 tabs. That's the 4th one. All right. That's all 4 tabs. Somehow still intact and not broken. Now, what you can't see because of where the camera is, actually I'll just show you guys. But here's the cable that I gotta disconnect. So you don't wanna just yank it up thinking you're scot-free. That's the cable right there. This deal right here, this little white thing. And then, of course, right there is the neutral strap that we need to get the plate cover over top of. So let's go ahead and try to get that cable off. It's just a little tab, like everything else on this damn car. Push down, pull out, same thing. And I just got to figure out where to push down there. I believe it's on the back side. I can't. Instead of trying to finagle that out of there first, I'm just gonna get this here shifter off. That way I can lift the whole damn thing up. I didn't want to do that because I was worried that I would like lift it up and snatch this cable, but now I see that the cable has some play. We're just gonna try to get this up first, get it up high enough, work around it. Hopefully, actually let's test a bit, make sure it's the right bit. Then we'll just be able to peel it back, disconnect the cable. Hell, might not even have to disconnect the cable, shit. Well, yep, it's the right size, all right. Let's get to it. There we go. There she is. No wonder it was so long. Look at all them damn threads. Holy hell. It's not even a long cable. It's just 1,000,001 freaking threads. What the Sam Hill? All right, let's go ahead and put this somewhere we won't lose it. Put it right here on my foot. Now, we should just be able to lift this deal up. There we go. Don't pull too crazy. Like I said, that cable is still connected. Yeah, at that point, we don't even need to disconnect the damn thing. Shit, it's out of the way. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but there's no need. All right, now I'm just trying to, obviously this here is what they use. Pull that sumbitch up, put your car in neutral, and then push it on down the road, get on out the way. All right, just tuck that back down. Now I gotta see, I'm not sure what size socket that is, but I'm just gonna grab a few and play around with them. All right, so we're gonna roll with the 8. Seems to be working just fine, so we're gonna stick with it. That's one out. Go ahead and pop this second one out right here. You see one here and one over here. Boom. Second one out. All right, let's go ahead and position this here. Neutral strap, plate cover. Now, I'm not sure whether it goes this way or this way. I'm gonna try this way first. Get this, try to lay this somewhere where it's not in the damn way. So it looks like it goes this way. Maybe. All right, let's try this way just to see how everything lines up. Oh shit! I didn't even notice that. The freaking bolts are offset, so tells you which way. Yeah. Okay, I see now. Yeah, the bolts are like, they're kind of like sitting this way. So when people have put these on, I've been seeing videos where they put them on and the thing is like sitting crooked. That's probably why. They probably put it on backwards. All right, don't fall down. I need you to stay connected. All right, please don't. But that's probably why they're, whenever they put them on, they're like, oh, it's a little crooked, but it'll be all right. That's probably exactly why it's crooked, because they put them on backwards. Oh, that would help. So yeah, let's try that then. And this damn strap cover, or this fucking strap. That thing is annoying. So there you have it. That's where everything should sit. So let's go ahead and put these little bad boys in there. Grab my Phillips. Make sure we don't drop anything. Let's try to not like screw them all the way down, but like just snug it a little bit. So there we go. Shifter down. Shifter operational. Let's try this again. So remember it. Oh, there we go. There we go. She's in there now. We are golden, people. All right. Moment of truth. Fitment. Does it fit? Make sure all my tabs are lined up. This one over there. This one over here. Just put my little tray back. That thing seems to fit properly. looks good to me. See how it's not, there's no freaking, now, does the tray fit back? That's what I want to know. But she is not working with the plate. Would have liked to have it back in there, but you know, whatever. Let's see how it looks with this back in there. Nah, I don't like that floating around look. Not feeling that at all. Probably just gonna take the tray out. Just gonna have to roll with no tray. No biggie, it's just plastic. Yep, other than that, looks good. Everything's nice and flat. We're just gonna have to roll with no tray. As soon as I went to press it down and seat everything back down here. Oh, push that back. It's good to go. Now I'll put my tray back. What the hell is that? Oh, the button. I was like, what's pressing it up? It's got little tabs on the back. I don't remember my old ones having those little tabs. There we go. Looks like we are golden. Finally got it done. Been procrastinating forever just because I didn't want to run into anything crazy. Because YouTube videos always make stuff look so simple. But as you can see, that was actually pretty simple, man. Didn't even have to disconnect the thing. As long as you got your little T20 Torx bit, you can run this out just nice and safe. Run it out, make sure you don't drop it in there like I did. And if you do drop it, make sure you have a magnet nearby, which I kind of had to makeshift one. But had a magnet nearby, was able to pull it back out, and we're good to go. I guess just starting to see if this thing will fire up. Can I put it into shift without putting it in run? Guess not. I'm gonna start it up. Shift not allowed. I can feel it moving around. We're golden, folks. We're golden. For me, this was definitely one of the easier mods we've done. Not too terrible at all. Glad I finally got it knocked out. Another step in protection of my baby. Now, if it actually works, I don't know. Let's pop this up one more time, show you guys. That's what it looks like. Everything's into place. You see it's not sitting crooked or whatever. And yeah, nice metal plate. We're golden, baby. Boy's gonna have to be determined to get that up out of there. Make sure my little hose is lined up. All right, so that's it. It's your first time stopping by. Like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you guys get notification when these videos go up. So go to the Instagram channel, load 2 seconds or so. All one word. I'll put it down in the description. Until next time, to view them out. Peace. And there she goes. Dropped it right on in there.